Welcome to the post-match presentation ceremony after this first test match, Pakistan-South Africa. Pakistan winning by 93 runs and go one up in the series. Now, in the presentation party with me, firstly, Mr. Sumair Ahmed Sayed, Chief Operating Officer, Pakistan Cricket Board, Mr. Zahid Anjum, Group Head, Bank Al-Falah, Mr. Suhail Akbar, GM Vigotel Mobile, Mr. Mohammad Shafiq Randhawa, Franchise Business Partner Jazz, Mr. Daniel Rashid, Authorities Dealer of Inverex Solar Energy, Mr. Ahmed Malik, Board Member Infinity Ventures. Now the first award, Mr. Sumair Ahmed Sayed will present the PCB Moment of the Match Award to Babar Azam. Babar Azam for his catch at slip, Ryan Rickleton. It was a partnership that needed to be broken and it was a fabulous catch. Now Mr. Ahmed Malik will present the Super Sav Striker of the Match Cash Award, 1,50,000 rupees to Tony D'Souza for his 100 in the first innings, the only 100 in the test match. Mr. Ahmed Malik will now present the Super Sav Bowler of the Match Cash Award, 1,50,000 rupees to Numan Ali. Numan Ali got 10 wickets of the match. Match-winning performance from him. Mr. Suhail Akbar will present the Vigotel Mobile Master Blaster of the Match Cash Award, 1 lakh rupees to Imam ul Haq for his 93 in the first innings. Mr. Mohammad Shafiq Randhawa will present the Jazz Superpower of the Day Cash Award of 1 lakh rupees to Salman Ali Agha. 93 in the first innings to go with the wicket and his 5 catches for the test match. Mr. Daniel Rashid will now present the Inverex Solar Energy Batter of the Match Cash Award of 1 lakh rupees to Ryan Rickleton. Ryan Rickleton, 71 in the first innings, 45 in the second. Now the player of the match will sign the bat for Vigotel Mobile Collaboration Project in association with Al Hamra Foundation, Numan Ali. He'll sign the bat. And then Numan will get his Bank Al-Falah Player of the Match trophy and cash award of 300,000 from Mr. Zahid Anjum. Numan will have a chat as well. Numan, पहली इनिंग में 6 विकेटें, दूसरी इनिंग में 4 विकेटें, 10 विकेटें मैच की. इस मैच में डे बाय डे कुछ आप अपनी टैक्टिक्स में चेंज कर रहे थे या नहीं?
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम जी, पहले तो अल्लाह ताला का लाख लाख शुक्र है कि अल्लाह ताला ने ये ट्रॉफ़ी मैन ऑफ द मैच की मिली और इतना अच्छा परफॉर्म किया मैच के अंदर. जी बिल्कुल, देखें हर सेशन में हर घंटे बाद कुछ ना कुछ चेंजिंग आपको करनी पड़ रही थी बैट्समैन के हिसाब से. बाहर जाके कोचेस से जो बात होती थी, जो प्लान होता था उसके मुताबिक बॉलिंग करते थे और अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सक्सेस मिली उसमें.
पिछले 5 टेस्ट मैचेस में आपने 3 दफ़ा 10 आउट किए, तो ये जो कंसिस्टेंसी आ रही है ये कैसे आ रही है, या आप वही प्रोसेसेस दोबारा कर रहे हैं?
जी बिल्कुल, देखें सिंपल एक अपना प्लान है, जो कंडीशन है उसके हिसाब से आपको बहुत ज़्यादा चीज़ें चेंज करना नहीं पड़ती हैं और सिंपल अपने प्लान पे रहना पड़ता है, अपनी लाइनो लेंथ पे रहना पड़ता है. और सिर्फ रेड बॉल खेलता हूँ इसलिए कोशिश करता हूँ कि इसकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस करूँ. पिछले काफ़ी टाइम से बल्कि 6 से 8 महीने से NCA में था. मैं माना भाई के साथ बहुत ज़्यादा उनके साथ मैंने काम किया है और फोकस किया है कि अपने एरिया को उसको पक्का करूँ और आकिब भाई के साथ वहाँ पर काम किया तो काफ़ी उससे अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सक्सेस मिला है.
आज जब आपने ब्रेविस को आउट किया तो काफ़ी सेलिब्रेट किया, वो बहुत बड़ी विकेट लगता है कि इस मैच के लिए थी आपकी।
जी देखें, वो जिस तरह खेल रहा था और जिस तरह वो रन्स कर रहा था इस पिच के ऊपर, तो मतलब आपको हिट लग रहे थे, तो एक्साइटेड भी था क्योंकि वो उसकी विकेट मिलती तो ऐसे हमें रन्स नहीं बन रहे थे पूरे मैच के अंदर, इसलिए वो विकेट बहुत ज़रूरी थी और वो मेरी 10वीं विकेट भी थी, तो इस वजह से ज़रा ज़्यादा एक्साइटेड था।
अब आप बीच में रेस्ट करेंगे या बॉलिंग करते रहेंगे, क्योंकि अगले मैच में भी लगता है काफ़ी बॉलिंग करनी पड़ेगी?
कोशिश करूंगा जितना मैच से एक दिन पहले ही होटल से बाहर निकलूं और कोशिश ये करूंगा कि रेस्ट करूं।
चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच, वेरी वेल प्लेड।
थैंक यू जी, बहुत शुक्रिया।
Numan Ali, very happy with his performance, very consistent with his bowling, was very happy with the wicket of Brevis. He thought that was crucial for Pakistan's cause today. Now we'll have to have a word with the South African captain, Aiden Markram. Aiden, although a difficult test match, but lots of positives for South Africa, the way that your team fought.
Yeah, there was some good stuff over the few days that we played. I thought really good signs with both bat and ball, so a bit to take out, a bit to learn as well, and clean up our space and come back better in the next game.
Where do you suppose this test match got away from you?
I think it's small moments, quite a few small moments. A really good partnership from them in the first innings, and we had them 5 down. And then with the bat as well, we probably in the first innings could have got a few more. A lot of us got in and got out, and there you really want to capitalise. So small little moments here and there, I think if we tidy that up, it'll put us in good stead.
A word on Muthusamy, the way that he bowled, 11 wickets for the game.
Yeah, exceptional. If you watch him behind the scenes, he works really hard, bowls lots of balls and takes his practice quite seriously. So no surprise that he's reaping the rewards out there in the middle, and just really happy that he could have that this game.
Going forward, you said you lot to learn. Do you think that there'll be maybe a sort of a rejig with the bowling attack? Pakistan played 2 fast bowlers. You persisted with 3 spinners. Was that the way you're looking at again, or we'll decide that later?
Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure what the conditions will be like outside. I can't see it being too far away from this. I was happy with the balance we had. We felt like if there was a lot of assistance for the seam, we had the 2 seamers in Vian and KG, and then the 3 spins. So nicely balanced team, I felt, but we'll have to get to Pindi and see what it's like there.
Rest well. See you again
Thank
for
you.
the second test.
Thanks, Sean.
Now, Shan Masood, Pakistan team's captain. Very happy with the way that his team has performed. Firstly, Shan, birthday was yesterday or today?
Yesterday.
So belated happy birthday to you, and you won the test match, gone 1 up. It's gone exactly to plan. Batted first, the spinners came into play, reverse swing, the bowlers did your job, and the batters did well enough.
And with a lot of challenges in the middle, I think you have to give credit to South Africa. They kept coming back in the game. We had moments where we could get away, but like I said before the series, they're a great measuring stick for us because they're world champions, and world champions don't give up. But I think credit to our team that we kept going, we built enough margins where we could have the upper hand today, and I'm glad we finished it off.
The spinners do take the laudits, but Shaheen Shah Afridi getting the ball to reverse. Even Hassan Ali got the ball to reverse, but the spell today from Shaheen Shah Afridi, very heartening. Got his pace up, got the ball to do stuff, and that's sort of one more armor in your bowling attack.
I think historically, we've always played on such surfaces, maybe even more docile, and we've produced fast bowlers that have gotten wickets on these surfaces as well. So we've never thought, even when we've gone spin heavy, we've always played a seamer or 2, and we've always wanted reverse swing to be in play. Obviously, it takes time when you try and change the nature of the pitch, of the grounds. But I think it's very important to have our seamers with us, because when you play test cricket or a test championship, it's a collective effort, and Shaheen coming in today, bowling that spell, Hassan Ali in his short burst, but also being understanding that sometimes they only bowled an over or 2, and then we had to bring the spinners back on. And look, the spinners did well. They've been short of match practice a bit. Sajid's been unlucky with his injury, but I thought him bowling about 50 overs in the game, and then Noman is Noman. So plenty of encouraging signs. We've got a couple of seamers in sort of on the bench as well, and a couple of spinners as well. So that sort of creates the right armory going forward.
How important was it to win the first test of your season and of the World Test Championship? Obviously, a lot of pressure then gets released.
Obviously, I think you always have to start well, and like I said, it's a great opportunity playing the team that won the previous Test Championship. So for us, we're very excited to be back home, to be playing Test cricket, and to start off with a win, I think that's a great start. But look, one game at a time. We've closed it off here today, and on to the next one now.
I've heard that you had a couple of cakes yesterday, a coffee cake and an apple cake. Will there be
How
another
did you know
one?
that?
I know everything. I will really have another one today.
But I think yesterday I didn't cut any cakes because we were
So it's
still
all-
quite in a tense position.
so all today.
So all today, hopefully, with Babar.
Very well played. Yes. See you in Pindi.
Thank you.
So that's it from the post-match presentation down here.